This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide your IP address in calls on WhatsApp. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to WhatsApp here. I have WhatsApp open now. To hide your IP address in calls, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the left-hand pane, all the way down toward the bottom, down to my little profile icon. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Privacy and click on Privacy. Now under Privacy, I'm going to scroll down toward the bottom under the Advanced section. Right here, Protect IP address in calls. It says to make it harder for people to infer your location, calls on this device will be securely relayed through WhatsApp servers. This will reduce call quality. To enable that, you would just toggle that on. And to disable it, you just toggle it off. That is how to hide your IP address in calls on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.